Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wisdomise token. Ticker symbol is WSDM. Now this is a token on the Polygon blockchain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this project is partnered with Polygon, Binance Broker, KRAKEN Labs, Zokyo. They've been seen in different news articles like Investing.com, Entrepreneur Europe, TechRound, CoinCora, Hacker Noon, Golf News, Tech Times, CoinLive, Blockworks, Crypto Briefing, etc., and more. And this token here, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly May 14th, which is in about 3 days or so. This token will be listed on Gate. So this is one way to get the token. Is on May 14th, 11 a.m. UTC time. It'll be on gate.io, and you can download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when it gets listed, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol WSDM, and then simply just buy the token. So this is a brand new token here. If you go to their Polygon scan, it says 8 holders, so it's not really available anywhere. 6 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. So basically, if Gate is not available in your country, which, it's not alwaise available in everyone's country, there's probably going to be other central exchange listings, but also you'll be able to get the Wisdomise AI token from decentralized exchanges, probably around the same time it goes over to Gate. You'll be able to get this token either on Quickswap or Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Matic, going into the Dapps, finding Quickswap or Uniswap, and then trading your Matic for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Wisdomise.com. Now, I would follow their socials to see, listing announcements at Wisdomise on Twitter. I'm going to put that right up here. They have 755 tweets. It says they're also followed by Kucoin, so most likely they'll be getting a Kucoin listing as well. 88,000 Twitter followers. Says they are from Zug, Switzerland. Has a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there. It says Wisdomise launching May 14th. Has the date right there. It actually has, if you go to their webpage too, there's a countdown at the top of the page. It says Swiss regulated AI investment and intelligence infrastructure. Analyze, predict, and execute. Their Twitter joined in January 2022. And so they have different listing announcements. They talk about Gate on their Twitter there. There's like startup information there if you want to get involved with the startup campaign. Looks like they do Ask Me Anythings. And so they had looks like they had an IDO they had on Singularity DAO, and they completely sold out 100%. Basically $500,000 they sold out were the tokens for their initial DEX offering. And it does say it will be listed on Kucoin as well. They're partners with Chain GPT Pad. All sorts of cool listing announcements and things like that on the Twitter. So definitely check that out. Lots of new partnerships announcements, like Rana Capital is one of them there. So they have a max supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, how the token is split up, 5% went to seed round, 4% went to angel round, 4% strategic round, 9% institutional round, 2% KOL round, 7% public launch, 20% marketing incentives, 7% liquidity, 16% ecosystem and partnerships, 6% AI innovation fund, 15% team, and 5% advisors. They do have a doc send white paper that you can check out there. So Wisdomise AI, with the vision of democratizing wealth creation, Wisdomise, an AI-powered intelligence and investment platform, combines proprietary insights with automated financial instruments for risk-adjusted, hassle-free investment in crypto markets. It also offers traders and asset managers advanced tools for augment and optimize their strategies with artificial intelligence, hence attracting more AUM. Soon, Wisdomise will evolve into an open ecosystem, integrating select dApps and DeFi protocols. After validation into a one-stop shop for investment in digital assets, Wsdm serves as the sole currency and governance lever in this ecosystem, offering unique utilities like yield farming, liquid staking, preferential access, loss protection, and governance rights. So their webpage here has solutions. So if you click on the solutions heading, you can check out the passive income platform, last positions, crypto charts, smart portfolios, trending NFTs, trending tweets, the last crypto news, and trending altcoins. Now they have a section about the token. We pretty much went over all the token information already. They do have a button to buy the Wsdm token, and that will most likely take you over to whatever DEX it gets put on, Quickswap, Uniswap, etc. They have blog articles. They have what people are saying about this token, like different tweets and things like that. Contact the company information. Active AI-powered auto trading. They have their team and advisors doxed on the page. Tons of partners and backers. So much info. Go check it all out. Wisdomise.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.